Okay, just got back from Love Play. Full Love Play mix in the bowl. Got the ciggies, the chop. Got the helmets, the skaters. Great Barrier Reef show on TV. Got the new plates and spoons and cups from Mum. From Mother Gaia. Senator Gaia. The new plates and cups. New spoons and forks. Today, in St Kilda Beach and Port Melbourne Beach, we saw Bormies, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsches, Mercedes, BMWs, Lexus, old school convertible Jaguars and shit. All cool. What else happened, huh? Saw Neil at Love Play. Neil's back from holiday. He just got back from Perth. Happened in time. Talking about St Kilda Fest. St Kilda was all over the joint today, huh? Had St Kilda Fest, huh? The ramp was there. The bands were playing on the stage. There were rides and carnivals. Not just Luna Park, but in the foreshore there was rides and carnivals, huh? Next to the Ferris wheel. It was all down, huh? Might even go back there tonight for a bit of a look. It's all going off there tonight in St Kilda, Saturday night at St Kilda Fest. All cool.